How everyone doing today? This is Antonio here from Poppa Homes, where we talk about turning credit into wealth by using the power of real estate. Today is the day that most people look forward to when they really complete a project and they have to pretty much come in and do a punch list. And for those of you guys that do not know what a punch list is pretty much is when you come in and you pretty much go through the whole entire property to make sure does all the lights works, do all the plugs work, does the hot water works, is the hot water and the cold water on the right side, is the AC unit working correct, furnace working correct. You're pretty much going through to make sure all these things are working at a good state of mind, because at the end of the day, when potential buyers walk through the house with their agents, they're going to see those things and they're going to test them out, and any little thing that's wrong, they're going to want you to fix it. So what we try to do as of now, we try to go ahead and try to find those issues as of now. Okay, we try to go ahead and find any issues are wrong with that property and get it taken care of. So what I do, I go through with my punch list and I pretty much check off things that are good and put an X on things that are not so good, and we give it right back to our contractor, and they'll come in a day or two to get those things straightened out. So that's what most of you investors need to have. It's a punch list. And look, a punch list pretty much gets everything from the exterior, the interior, to the HVAC, to all types of things to make sure you don't miss anything. And if you guys definitely want a copy of my punch list, I don't mind giving it to you. I just send it out to you. Just leave a comment in the comment section down here and say, please send me a punch list. And I'll message you and I'll send you the Google Drive link and you will have it. So again, guys, at this point here, you guys have worked a lot of hours into your project. Not you personally, hopefully your contractor have, because I don't want to see any of you investors out there doing any type of works to your property. And you want to get to the punch list. And this is where we're at today, is to get it all lined out. And once those things add up, now we can properly get the property out to our agent. Say, let's list this thing, let's put on the market, and let's try to get top dollar for this property. But overall, if the punch list come out correctly and you don't have too many issues there, you know that you picked the right contractors to do your work. So guys, let me say this before I go. Picking the right contractors can make or break your product. It can look like this, or it can look even worse. But overall, if you've seen how this kitchen was before to what it looks like now, it's day and night. But understand your budget, understand your numbers, and understand your buyers, and understand the comps. Okay, understand the neighborhood that you are in, buying and selling real estate. You got to make sure if you do got to spend a little more for a house, can you go up on the price to kind of make it up? Yes, we spent a little bit tad more for this property here because she needed a lot of addressing when it comes to a few issues, but that's okay. We think that the market supports our number, but overall, someone's going to have a nice property. But before they get this property, I got to go through my punch list. So guys, remember, whenever you're flipping houses out there and you newbies, make sure you go through the punch list at the end. Give it back to your contractor and say, hey, can we get these few things addressed? So what you need to do to make this even better, always try to hold out at least $5,000, $3,000 or $4,000 at the end, so that you hold that money just in case that contractor doesn't come back, and maybe they got the majority of their money, they don't come back, which is just fine. So now you got $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 where you come in and get a handyman to come in and do those little small things to put that property back to where it needs to be, so you can pass it on to the next buyer. So hey guys, make sure you make that your prerogative, is to get a punch list, hold back a couple dollars, and if your contractor can't do it, you bring in a handyman. But usually you've got a great contractor that come in and finish it all off. So, hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's going to be the only way I keep bringing you guys these excellent videos, educating you guys on the power of real estate and how you can look at a kitchen that used to look like this, but now looks like that. How you got to love that. That is beautiful. So do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, hit the bell notification so you can be notified of any videos that hit the internet. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, you can come over here to the website. Click on Invest with Poppa at the top of the page. This is where you will find my complete portfolio on all things real estate, from flipping houses, buying a home, sub-2, lease option, multifamily, whatever the case may be. Find it here. Come to the bottom of the page. You have a few options. If you want to view those properties that's been sold, click on View List of Flip Sold. Then you'll be able to get a full view of the property sold. And also, you want to contact me, you can call or text this number here, and let's work together. Let's do deals.